Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween. If you guys follow me on Instagram, can't say the word babysitting because he's an old man, my brother Romeo. So, he's on his way out. So he needs just a little bit more attention than usual, which is fine, and we've been giving it to him. Yeah. So, we've been having rain here for the past couple of days, and obviously since everything is done on my driveway, haven't been able to work or do any videos. But in the meantime, I've been doing lots of buying, which you guys have been seeing on my Instagram. But today is Halloween, so really can't do much because my wife still thinks that we're going to get trick-or-treaters, and we don't. If I'm outside working, she thinks it deters them. So anyway, in the meantime, I'm supposed to be selling my my commission-built Snowtech Arians, even though it's not for the guy who wanted me to build it. I mean, I'm selling it on purpose. Even if this guy, I said I wouldn't take less than $380 because that's what me and the guy agreed upon. Because the guy's kind of aggravated me, stupid UPS driver. If he offers me $350, he can take the damn thing. I'm out of here. Selling an Echo backpack blower and hopefully a Red Max. So, anyway, so Tuesday I was supposed to shoot footage, or was it Monday? I have to look. I don't remember. But when we get home, I have to take him for a walk. So usually what we do is when I take him for a walk, he's obviously on the leash. When we get up to my driveway, I let go of the leash and we walk up into the house together. And I let him in and I go do my thing. He did not want to leave. He did not want to go in. This is what he wanted to do. Just sit and look right out here. I don't have the slightest clue what he was looking at. I don't post a picture, it's cute. So we did this for about a half hour. And that's it. Just staring into space. Uh-oh, I didn't need to kick you. That's all we were doing, right? I don't know if he was looking for something, but not much action, not much going on. That's how it is. And, yes, so you know, we're just going to finish doing some leaves. I remember I did the leaves in the front yard, so let me just do the leaves in the backyard. So I kept them outside for about 4 hours. We were done doing leaves. Time to go inside. Didn't want to go inside. We were outside till maybe 6:30, 7 o'clock. We just missed my wife by a half hour. I'm like, dude, I had to pick him up and throw him in the house. So I felt, you know, that's good because we were supposed to have the rain the next couple of days, and we don't walk him or we try and limit his activity outside because of the rain, because obviously he brings all that stuff in the house. So, nonetheless, I did some picking today because it was Halloween. Wifey said can't go, can't do anything, you know, come right home, take care of my brother. Oh my. So, let's go. So, the cool part is that I found these off of Letgo. What are you doing? What are you doing, you silly guy? Do you have a leaf in your ear? So anyway, he wanted $200 for both. So usually I try and negotiate before I get there, but I didn't have to because he gave me the address to a storage unit. So what does that tell you? And, oh I'm sorry, and they have no gas. So, usually the things I tell you, he says that they ran and drive. Obviously, if there's no gas, you can't prove that. So, I got both of these for $100. Whoop, score. Let's just find this out. Choke on. Let's see. Ooh, you like that. check this out. SRM266. So this is the higher end one. Standard Echo PB5H. Some gas in here too. And let's see what we got here. You like that? Perfect. So the PB5H is 2013 and the 266 is 2014. So not bad. These I sell all day for good money. The Echo, I have to see how much it's worth, but probably going to be around 200 bucks. So, yeah, that's going to be a wrap. That's it for today for Halloween. We're done. All right, Romeo? You want to say goodbye? You want to say happy Halloween? Huh? You want to give me a high five? Do you want to give me a high five? Sit. Romeo, sit. Give me a high five. You want to give me a high five? Give me a high five. Oh, good boy. Good boy. All right, guys, that's it. If you guys found this video helpful, really not, but you know what? Entertaining. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.